At Autodesk, we automated the tasks of detailing technical drawings with AutoCAD. We automated the creation of drawings from a 3D model with Autodesk Inventor. And we continue to automate your design and engineering process from sales proposal to your product's end of life. In this video, we'd like to highlight some of the automation tools available to you in Inventor and the Product Design and Manufacturing collection. A 3D model provides a single source of data. Your drawings are views of your 3D model. Any update to the model is reflected in every drawing that references it. Inconsistencies are eliminated, and drawing errors are substantially reduced. Your investment in a 3D model doesn't stop at drawing coordination. You can use your 3D model to create visualizations of your design for marketing, simulations of your design for stress analysis or tolerancing, automatically extract a BOM for procurement, or create toolpaths for manufacture. All of these examples are queries of our three-dimensional database. Queries that can help us automate downstream processes to improve quality and decrease time to market. You don't want to spend time modeling standard components like nuts and bolts. You don't have to. The Autodesk Inventor Content Center allows you to generate over 750,000 standard components, from fasteners to shaft components and from rooted systems to structural steel. The Content Center libraries cover 18 international standards, including ISO, ANSI, and DIN. In addition to the standard components included, you can publish your own parts and manage them with Content Center. Content Center supports Inventor's design accelerators, a collection of rule-based design tools that allow you to quickly generate components around your functional requirements. Add fasteners or design a frame, power transmission, or spring system directly from Content Center components. No need to model any parts yourself. Autodesk Inventor's sheet metal toolset is specifically designed to help you develop your sheet metal components. Inventor's sheet metal modeling tools automate the creation of standard sheet metal features, and they follow the standards you define, such as sheet metal thickness, bends, corner treatments, and unfolding rules to ensure your designs meet your manufacturing requirements. When you're ready to create a flat pattern, Inventor does all the calculations for you based on your manufacturing standards, such as K-factor or bend allowance tables, ensuring you have an accurate, unfolded 2D profile for downstream use. Autodesk Inventor provides you with tools to easily document both your folded and flat patterns. You can share your designs with manufacturing as a drawing, as a DXF profile, or you could take advantage of Inventor nesting to automatically create nests of your unfolded profiles. Inventor nesting automatically groups components of similar material types and thicknesses onto individual sheets, and then calculates nesting efficiency based on parameters and options you define, such as mirroring, spacing, and rotation. In the frame design environment, Inventor automates the process of building parametric frame assemblies, with tools specifically created for building your frames, applying end treatments, and analyzing the performance of your design. Begin by inserting frame members into your parametrically controlled skeleton model, specifying the family, size, and material from a library containing thousands of standard profiles. When your frame is complete, corner treatments can be used to trim, miter, or create notches between members, and end caps can be inserted from Content Center to terminate free ends. Frame members are automatically numbered based on your preferred file system and part numbering scheme, and a cut list is automatically generated, including end treatments. The standardized nature of frame design also makes it easy to set up and perform structural analysis to make sure your design performs as required. For the automation of piping routes, Inventor's tube and pipe environment adds tools for the design of rigid and flexible pipes, bent tubes, and flexible hoses for your mechanical assemblies. Create a route in 3D using the Auto Route tool, or a route you define yourself. When you're ready, Inventor will automatically populate your route, following the specification and standards that you set in the tube and pipe library. When modifying or updating designs, components placed from Content Center will automatically orient and size themselves appropriately. When the design is complete, Inventor helps you to create your required outputs for procurement and manufacturing, with isogen drawings and a bill of materials to quantify the components needed for the design. Product configurators have been proven to save engineering time and accelerate sales growth of custom products. In the past, setting up the rules and logic behind a design configurator and making it accessible to sales reps and engineers often required specialized programming knowledge, significant investments in development, and a lot of time. With Inventor, however, setting up and deploying a product configurator has never been easier. First, you define the logic behind the configurator. This is easy to code with Inventor iLogic technology. Next, once logic has been defined, you can create forms inside Inventor to provide a more intuitive front end for the configurator. Simply select which parameters, rules, and iProperties you want available for configuration, and they're automatically added to your form, no programming required. With the product configured, unique customer requirements may require additional fine-tuning. Inventor Nastran is integrated directly inside the CAD environment, so you can quickly perform advanced stress, fatigue, and thermal analysis to evaluate the performance of the desired design. Include CNC toolpaths in your initial design and let iLogic update them for you as the design changes. Automated design and configuration processes help you get from design to manufacturing faster. You can deliver custom products to your customers at scale. Beyond the configuration of your designs, Inventor's iLogic automation toolset helps you to preserve corporate knowledge by building design rules into your model, prevent inexperienced users choosing design configurations that are not possible to manufacture, and reduce the amount of work required to check drawings for manufacturability. Automate the creation of drawings and design documentation from your Inventor models with iLogic and Inventor's intelligent template files. Any task in your design process that you identify as being repetitive or low value can be automated with an iLogic rule. iLogic and the Inventor API turns Inventor into a platform on which you can automate your entire design to manufacture process. Your configurable designs, built on Inventor's automation tools and the power of iLogic, are fully compatible with the Inventor Design Automation API on Autodesk's Forge development platform. Leverage the intelligence you already built into your Inventor model on the desktop to provide access to your team members and customers via the web. Integrating price information to your design configuration can improve the speed at which you can generate RFQs and proposals, securing the knowledge that the quotation you provide is a match for the cost of your proposal. Autodesk Forge is a unique cloud-based development platform on which you can build or implement applications that tap into the power of web-hosted versions of the core engines from Inventor, Revit, 3D Studio Max, and AutoCAD. With the Forge platform, you can process your workflows on the cloud and continue to work efficiently on your local machine, the type of jobs that could be highly repetitive or may need large-scale processing power. This also allows you to exchange product data with various business systems, including ERP, MRP, or PLM. By linking your data in the cloud to your other systems, you can leverage data from third parties in your automation workflows. With Autodesk, you can automate your tasks and processes, automate your design standards, automate the creation of design documentation and manufacturing data, automate the creation of sales proposals, and connect your design and engineering data to the rest of your company's processes from manufacturing to procurement, from sales to servicing, with Autodesk Inventor and the Autodesk Forge platform.